All Manipur Art and Culture Students Union Amaksu has demanded clarification within 15 days of the appointment of a caretaker as program officer in the Department of Art and Culture, questioning bypassing of due recruitment procedures and appointment of a person allegedly lacking experience in the field. Addressing the media at Manipur Press Club, Amaksu Vice President Samurai Latpam Abung Sharma stated that the Art and Culture Department had issued a notification in 2024 regarding modification of recruitment rules for the post of program officer. The department had also called for suggestions and opinions regarding the proposed changes. In response, Amaksu submitted a letter to the Director of Art and Culture urging fresh recruitment to ensure that a qualified and experienced person from the field of art and culture is appointed. However, without responding to the concerns raised, the department reportedly appointed a caretaker as the program officer. Amaksu has strongly objected to the move and demanded detailed inquiry into the appointment process. Amaksu also warned that failure to provide proper explanation within the stipulated time will lead to agitation in coordination with like-minded organizations.
Caretaker na program officer kaba yabagi yadabagi makoida leiragasu program officer bisi yamna maru oiba oigi lamdam sida art pamjana changsen jerigo oja sing satra mairo khudimaki karigumba masak thopa pot lama thaba ma tawba haise art and culture gi yam maru oiba pathodam art ki maram sungang khangdana program officer ma oiba haisi maning halakatra haibagi chingna madu leibadagi kona press meet se tawdya dan tawjabani si khatagi wafam ji natana government dance college ki punggi aduga isai gi oja lobagi matang jidasu manung jida yamna mong marin ta da mong da oja sing khan gi bagi oiba tongan tongan do wafam ke amak thangkala pona maram oiraga masi jimsu mari leinaba government gi authority singna munna tang thigat piraga yengsin biarji thamjani deisida agriculture ga mari leinaba leibak ki issue oigedaba thabak singse agriculture student union lejeba amaksu masi yam pukna thijen jagani aduga mi amagi career mangba ya bi mong da chenaramba singje tak singba action kya su tawgani ha bisima amaksu site